In this tutorial, I will show you how to monitor and consolidate IIS logs using Cornerable Log Manager. From the File menu, select File, New Log Monitor. This will open the Log Management wizard. Select Text Logs, then select Directory, then click Next. Select the server which your website is running. My IIS server is running on another domain, so I need to map the computer and supply logon as credentials. When you're done, click Next. The Specify Logon as Credential page provides an easy method to reset the credentials to multiple computers when reconfiguring your monitor. Click Next. Navigate to the IIS log directory and select Add. When you're done, click Next. Since IIS logs contain the date within the file name, we need to specify a mask so only today's file is read. Please note, IIS rolls log using UTC time. You will need to configure IIS to roll the log files using the server's local time. To add the mask, type U_EX less than YY capital MMDD greater than .log. When you're done, click the Test button. We can see one log file is found as expected. Click Add, and when you're done, click Next. The Specify Entry Delimiters and Read Method page enable you to specify an entry pattern, which enables the software to treat multi-line entries as a single log entry. IIS log entries are line feed based, so there's no reason to configure this value. The Read method enables you to configure how the software reads a file when it's discovered. Since we want to read all the entries when a file is discovered, we need to leave the read method as is, which is configured to read the file from the beginning. Click Next. The Schedule Parameters page enables you to configure the frequency to read the file. The default is every 5 minutes. For this tutorial, I will set the value to every second. To minimize resources, I would suggest once a minute. When you're done, click Next. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a filter that displays all 404 messages on the screen. To create the filter, click the Add button, click the Filters Manager button, and from the Filters Manager, create the new filter. I'll give it a name of 404, and the type is text log. The message contains 404, click Apply, and I'm going to close the dialog. Save the changes, select the filter, and previously I created an action which displays a message box, which I'm selecting now. Click OK, and we can see that the filter in action is displayed in a human readable format inside the wizard. When you're done, click Next. Click past the File Size monitor, click past the Idle File monitor. The Log Consolidation and Retention Policy page provides you with the controls to enable log consolidation and configure how long to save your data for. Log Manager uses two databases for consolidation, a primary and a secondary, or archive. This format enables the software to store large amounts of data while maintaining a system that can generate reports quickly against the most recent data. I will configure the software to automatically archive entries older than 30 days and remove entries from the archive log repository after 335 days, giving me a total of 365 days of data. When you're done, click Next. Since each IIS log file is unique by default, a new database table name would be created for each log. To save all the data to a single table, use the Logical File Name page to specify a logical log name. When enabled, a single database table will contain all of your IIS log data, enabling both log retention policy and automated reports to execute properly. I'm going to enable this option and set the name to IIS logs. When you're done, click Close, Save your changes. You'll notice immediately that the service output window shows that the monitor has started. If I open a browser and enter a page which generates a 404 error, we will see the message box alert I just configured. And there's the error. And if we look at the log repository view, press F5, expand out to the text log of interest, right-click, and select View Consolidated Log. We can see all the entries that have been saved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us at sales or support@cornerbowl.com.